Hello everyone, and welcome back to EMTECH. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at VSDC Video Editor PRO, a powerful yet lightweight video editing software designed for creators who want professional quality results without paying the high price of premium editing suites. Whether you're a YouTuber, content creator, filmmaker, social media influencer, or simply someone who enjoys editing videos, VSDC Video Editor PRO offers an impressive collection of advanced tools that can help you bring your creative ideas to life. One of the biggest advantages of VSDC Video Editor PRO is that it combines powerful professional features with an easy-to-use interface. Beginners can quickly learn the basics, while experienced editors have access to advanced tools for creating complex and visually stunning projects. Best of all, the software runs smoothly even on computers that don't have the latest high-end hardware. Let's start with one of its most impressive features, motion tracking. This tool allows you to automatically track moving objects inside your video and attach text, images, logos, effects, or masks that move perfectly with the selected object. This feature is ideal for tutorials, product reviews, sports videos, educational content, and professional presentations. Another exciting addition is the AI art generator. Using artificial intelligence, VSDC can transform ordinary footage into artistic masterpieces inspired by famous painters such as Picasso and Van Gogh. With just a few clicks, your videos can achieve a unique artistic style that stands out from traditional editing effects. Music creators and video editors will also appreciate the Edit the Beat feature. Instead of manually placing transitions and visual effects to match your soundtrack, the software analyzes the rhythm of the music and helps synchronize effects automatically. This makes creating dynamic music videos much faster and significantly more enjoyable. For creators working with green screen footage, the HSL Chroma Key tool provides accurate and clean background removal. It delivers precise color selection, allowing you to replace backgrounds quickly while maintaining natural edges around your subject. Performance is another area where VSDC Video Editor PRO truly shines. Thanks to hardware acceleration, rendering and exporting videos is much faster than standard software processing. This means you spend less time waiting for your project to finish rendering and more time creating new content. The software also includes advanced masking tools that allow you to create clipping masks, inverted masks, and text masks for professional visual effects. Combined with nonlinear effect controls, you can manually adjust effect intensity throughout your timeline, giving you complete creative freedom over every scene. When it comes to transitions, VSDC offers an impressive collection of premium effects. You'll find cinematic transitions like shattered glass, paper burn, and flow transformation, helping your videos look modern and visually engaging. These effects are perfect for YouTube videos, commercials, presentations, travel videos, and social media content. If you enjoy creating dramatic slow-motion scenes, VSDC includes advanced interpolation technology that produces incredibly smooth slow-motion footage while maintaining excellent image quality. This feature is especially useful for action videos, sports, and cinematic storytelling. The editor also supports multiple blending modes, allowing you to combine images and videos creatively using alpha channels and professional layer blending techniques. Text animation tools make it easy to design attractive intros, animated titles, subtitles, captions, and lower thirds for your videos. Another useful feature is subtitle support. You can quickly import subrip subtitle files and synchronize captions with your video, making your content more accessible to viewers around the world. For creators who record handheld footage, the built-in video stabilization feature helps eliminate unwanted camera shake, producing smoother and more professional-looking videos without requiring additional software. VSDC Video Editor PRO also supports 360-degree video editing, allowing you to edit immersive content by adding effects, music, color correction, and titles. Advanced users can take advantage of Bezier curves to create highly customized animations with smooth and natural motion. One more impressive feature is face landmarks technology. This advanced tracking system accurately follows facial features, making it possible to create sophisticated animations, visual effects, and face-based motion graphics with remarkable precision. Overall, VSDC Video Editor PRO is an outstanding video editing solution for creators who want professional features without the expensive subscription costs found in many competing applications. It delivers excellent performance, a wide range of creative tools, AI-powered features, and an intuitive workflow suitable for both beginners and experienced editors. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-rich video editor that offers incredible value for money, VSDC Video Editor PRO is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to EMTECH, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos covering software, technology, tutorials, and productivity tools. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.